What is up, people? Good morning from Pathankot. We are leaving to Srinagar today and I am super excited. Finally, we're gonna have the ghats and the mountains and everything that I ever wanted. So we are already setting everything up. Packing is being done and just take care of this mess. But before that, we have one important work. Have to go loop the chain. So we will go finish that, come back, finish the packing, put everything on the bike and zoom. Alright, so the chain loop is done. I checked the tires, checked the chain, everything seems to be pretty good. The clouds are going dark, which means it might rain anytime now, so the sooner we leave, the better it would be. We'll see how it goes. Nothing much we can do about it anyways, can we? So, let's see what happens. I'll see you back on the bike. Alright, so we're all set. This is the room where I was staying in. Small, but did the job, no worries. Paid like around $800 for this. Lucifer is all set. So we're getting out of Pathankot and what's up, buddy? Yeah, finally Srinagar it is. I don't know exactly at what point I'll lose network, so I'll probably take a break sometime. Lakhanpur ke aaspaas ghar pe call kar lenge. I'm not taking a postpaid SIM. It is okay with me if I'm off grid for a couple of days. So I'll just make as much good time as possible until I reach the mountains. और mountains में धीरे 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 मस्ती करते हुए चलेंगे. And the first view of mountains. Can you see it? Wide angle है ना, थोड़ा नज़दीक जाता है. भाई तुम लोग तुम्हारा ड्रैग रेस ख़त्म करो. Kashmir calling. Yeah, so I just fueled up, tank full कर लिया. I mean, अभी फ़िलहाल टेंशन नहीं है, फ्यूल स्टेशन मिलता रहेगा. पर दो प्रॉब्लम है. माउंटेन शुरू हो गए तो the frequency of how often you will get it will slightly reduce, and at the same time sometimes you're just like in a good flow of riding and you just want to keep going on and on and on, और पेट्रोल की वजह से एक एक्स्ट्रा ब्रेक लेना पड़ता है. तो शुरुआत में फुल कर लिया तो एक 300 किलोमीटर टेंशन नहीं, चलते रहो चलते रहो चलते रहो. So the middle of this bridge is the Jammu Kashmir border, so we're like on the border right now type. सही है. Now we're in Punjab. And now we're in Kashmir. Do we have to take a slip here or do what?
आपकी पार्टी चलेगी आज?
हाँ जी?
आपकी पार्टी आर्टिफिशियल करवाया?
हाँ जी.
जाइए जाइए.
यहाँ से वो स्लिप नहीं लेना?
वो बंद हो गया.
बंद हो गया? ठीक है. भैया नेटवर्क कहाँ तक मिलेगा यहाँ? प्रीपेड का?
प्रीपेड का बस यहीं तक है.
यहीं तक है? ठीक है. थैंक यू. Okay, so I've made my calls and I am all set to go off grid for a couple of days. Anyways, when I reach Srinagar, I will probably try looking for a place with Wi-Fi. अगर मिल गया तो मज़ा आ जाएगा. So it is saying 6:44 now for maps. वहाँ तक रहेगा भी कि नहीं? What if I lose internet on the way? I don't know. We'll see. The roads over here are not really misleading as far as I know. There should be boards in every nook and corner about how to get to Srinagar. Tomorrow is going to be a very long ride from Srinagar to Leh. I'm thinking if I can make it to Leh tomorrow, the rest of the plan will be a little chilled out when it comes to exploring Leh itself. And worst case scenario, रुक लेंगे कहीं पे. It's not a big deal, but if I'm able to make it to Leh tomorrow, I want to try doing that. In that way, I should still be able to cover the whole plan in the 16 days that I have. Like, the landscapes are going to be very beautiful from tomorrow. You'll start getting the Leh wala feel, and I want to be able to stop, take pictures and do whatever circus I want throughout the way. Network completely gone. It was kind of gone back there only, but maps was still working, and now maps has completely given haath. I think it's okay in one way. This is one of those places where I don't mind getting lost. Landscape is changing. I can see hills around, mountains around. It's getting more greener, getting more colder. Now I don't know if it's really a climatic fact or it's just my brain thinking that now I'm in Kashmir, so it's supposed to be cold. That also happens, so don't know what this is all about. Kutte, ruk ja. I just stopped for a refreshment break here. I'm kind of feeling hungry, man. I'm just gonna find something to eat. Yeah. कुछ ना कुछ खा लेंगे, फिर निकलते हैं. On our way out from here, slight change of plans. भैया से बात कर रहा था. भैया ने बोला जम्मू वाला रास्ता मस्त होगा, ऐसे ही खुला खुला 4-lane roads. He said if I go through Mansar, it will be a single lane road, but it is shorter and at the same time it is a more scenic route. So what I'm trying to say is that's what we're doing. We are going to go through Mansar now. He encouraged me to take that route and now I am encouraged. अभी U-turn मिलना चाहिए यहाँ पे. So we've come in through the forest checkpost. I think this is going to be a very beautiful route. We're just starting the climb to the first mountain. Foothills of Himalayas, I think. And now for the next, I don't know, probably a week or something, it's gonna be only mountains. Thanks to that uncle who suggested me to come from here, and thanks to that awesome paratha also. So I had one aloo paratha and rajma there. The paratha was huge. I told him 2 parathe bana do. He's like भैया पहले एक खाओ, बाद में मैं और एक बना देता हूँ. I'm like okay, I didn't understand why. पर जब पराठा आया कैप्टन अमेरिका के शील्ड के साइज में आया कुछ, तो by the time I could finish that, I'm like okay भैया एक ही ठीक है. Oh, I still think I'm going to Srinagar only. बोर्ड वगैरह कुछ खास दिखा नहीं है मुझे. Just sticking to this road because it was one straight road to Udhampur. Udhampur Patni top this side. Okay, awesome. तो फिर भी थोड़े आगे जाके रुकना पड़ेगा कोई जगह पे because GoPro battery is at around 20%, so that will give Hath at any time. Finding a good place to stop. Looks like it might rain also. It is just unbelievable how these mountains are. See, it's got like ribs on it. Crazy structure. And there's like one house there. Looks like we're gonna get a lot more of this in the days to come. That was nice. We just came through a mountain. The craziest part is the second time I'm coming here, it still feels like the first. I mean, obviously it's not the same route that I came through before, but यहाँ पे तो चाय बनती है यार, वो भी फोटो के साथ. Okay, I just stopped for a chai break here in the shop, and I saw something that you absolutely need to see. Now, time to go from here. That's where I took that video of the valley view from. Wow. Looks like we're in Udhampur now, and I'm looking for some board somewhere that says Srinagar. थोड़ी देर में नहीं मिला तो रुक के पूछ लेंगे. Like अभी मेरे को मज़ा आ रहा है. After like a decade or so, I've come to a situation where I'm asking for routes from somebody and all that. So I still don't feel that I should have taken a sim, but I've got a feeling that very soon I'm going to regret that decision. And I'm still trying to figure out which is our route. Nice. Whoa, that's a waterfall. 1 second, we're gonna turn towards it now. Think I'll get a better view there. Can you see it? There you go. Oh, nice. Oh, check this out. This is beautiful, man. ये रास्ते पे पूरा काम चल रहा है. मेरे ख्याल से ये रास्ता, there was a deviation somewhere where a road would go to the right and go towards Patni Top. No, वहाँ से भी जा सकता है. We're gonna go through this mountain. Oh, nice. I've seen these tunnels in YouTube videos, man. Just keeps going on and on and on. Okay, now this is 4.5 kilometers done. 9 kilometers long is what this is. What's up with that dude? Looks like he's in a hurry. And what's this all about? हाँ जी? तो यहाँ पे अभी क्या हो रहा है? जाम लग गया है. ओके, तो पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगेगा यहाँ पे. ओके, ठीक है, तो फिर घूम कर ही जाते हैं. We'll have to make a call on what to do. This doesn't look any good to me. I'll actually just check on my phone to see if there is an alternate route. Patni Top से चले गए होते क्या? So there was a forest department officer there. I checked with him if bikes will go. He said just go the wrong way, and there should be place for bikes to go, and that's how they're sending the bikes. So this is how everybody is going. I'm like, okay. So I think there's like a small section that opened and they have let some bikes through. भाई टेक्निकली यहाँ पे तो अपना हो गया गोली फिट. गाड़ियाँ निकल गई, सिर्फ अपनी नहीं. Now one good thing about that traffic jam would be that this road will be quite empty, which means I might be able to make up for some time that we've lost here. जब तक 4 लेन नहीं लगता तब तक अपन आराम से चलेंगे इनके साथ ही. हो nice. Now with all of this that's happening, it is kind of a tiring ride, but the only thing that is getting me going is the view. Okay, can you see how many trucks are waiting? Oh shit, that's like thousands of trucks, man. I would have crossed a few hundred already, and that whole road is... something has happened. Holy smokes. Okay, now we are on that road. The hundreds of trucks road. अबे सामने से गाड़ियाँ आ रही है यार. We got to find a place to settle somewhere. Holy shit. भाई ट्रक वालों को राइट पे मत आ जाओ. Okay, so this one is gonna go on like forever. Whoa. No more good roads. That guy did say that it'll be around 7-8 in the evening by the time this one clears. Now I know why. It should be some place where it all starts. अभी अपनी तरफ से 3 गाड़ियां जा रही है, देख रहे हो? वो तरफ से ट्रक आ रही है. कुछ नहीं कर सकता कोई तो जल्दी मिल रहा है बड़े. ओए शिट. ओके, तो अभी हम यहाँ आके फंस गए. बस फट मत जाना. वहाँ पे किसी की कार खड़ी है. हालत हो गई निकलते निकलते. The last couple of hours have been crazy, like super crazy. I'm feeling so exhausted right now. If I don't get something, I need to get some sugar in there. सब घूमने लगेगा अभी. I think I will get the much needed sugar off here. Or do you want to just keep going? ये ट्रैफिक से properly पहले बाहर निकल गए. Then we will do sugar and all. So finally we are out of the traffic. These two guys, one of them actually just had a fall. So I stopped, we picked his bike up, and I also got a chance to remove the battery and put it back in. My GoPro wouldn't start because of the normal GoPro issues. So battery निकाल के डाल भी दिया, तो we are back with this now. Or yeah, right now my idea is just to get out of this truck traffic as soon as possible, if it is possible. Whoa, check out the river and stuff there. That's beautiful as it gets, man. If these wires were not there, I think this would be like a painting. Wow. Okay, finally, I don't see million trucks in front of me anymore. And this ride just got a little entertaining. Okay, तो अभी हो गया कांड. We've had a decent landslide and looks like this is gonna take a while to clear. मतलब they're doing what they can, but मेरे ख्याल से 1 आधा घंटा लग जाएगा कम से कम. Okay. This was the tunnel which I was talking about that I saw on YouTube. Okay, they're gonna get my COVID test done, it seems. We are at the Anantnag district entrance and they've stopped me to take a COVID test. I don't know on what basis they're getting the testing done. Like, is it just random anyone or specifically everybody from outside? But we'll quickly get this done and leave. Testing done, result negative. And किसी ने RT-PCR का पूछा भी नहीं, फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. You have to do this regardless to you have an RT-PCR or not. So this was an antigen test. फिर से नाक में swab test करना पड़ा. ना अभी तक दर्द हो रहा है. But it's okay. Requirement. Go to the test cabin. We'll get the swab test done. By the time you're done wiping your tears, they'll give you the result. और क्या बात है? Please tell me we are connecting to a highway now. श्रीनगर? सीधा? Okay, thank you. Srinagar 72. Finally, some open roads. So I've kind of taken a very weird risk here. I reached a junction where it said to take a right to Srinagar, 10 kilometers, and left to Sonmarg. मैंने left मार लिया. I didn't want to go that 10 kilometers, sleep, wake up, and come back that 10 kilometers. Alright, so we're finally in the room. थोड़ा light के पास आ जाता हूँ. हाँ, so we're finally in the room. Found a room near Hyderpura. I reached the Hyderpura junction. It was a signal over there. The right side looked like a little bit of a market kind of an area. तो right ले लिया. 2 किलोमीटर अंदर आया तो I found this place. It's called Hotel AXA. I was on the flyover. ऊपर से मुझे बोर्ड दिखा तो U-turn मार के चेक किया. It's a little more than what I was thinking. I had thought of 1,000 rupees per day kind of a stay arrangement. यहाँ पे थोड़ा 1,500 हो गया. But the room is pretty nice. So no worries with that. And I really didn't want to go around the city looking for more rooms. So I just took this. It is near the highway. So perfect. 2 किलोमीटर के अंदर हाईवे लग जाएगा फिर से. सोनमार्ग की तरफ चल सकते हैं. So that was all good. लगी पड़ी है. I have just ordered food. I'll quickly have food and crash. Tomorrow I'm going to wake up as early as possible. अगर हो सके तो कल यहाँ से ले मारना है. So let's see how that goes. I'm still not sure because it's the first time I'm going on these roads. I don't know what the conditions are. पर देखेंगे क्या होता है. कल मिलते हैं.